Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla Stuff and Things. We're casual today and we have to make a treat. Pinterest may have got the best of me. So come on, let me show you what I'm doing. So we have noses, we have head and eyes parts, we have bags, we have antlers, and we've got googly eyes. Can anybody figure out what we're making? It's gonna be fun! Crafting with Priscilla. That should be like a whole series. It would be terrible. I am the least crafty person you've ever met in your whole life. I've already cried. Yep, it's a thing. I cried because I can't get my reindeers right. But let's go. So my theme for this is if I can do it, you can do it. So just go to the store, grab some chocolates. You know, you can kind of play around with how you want to do this. I am using Hershey Kisses, the red ones, for my nose. I'm going to put that in the bottom of the bag. I'm telling you guys, Pinterest will make you feel either really good or really bad about yourself as a crafter. I'm going to just take some of this chocolate. I think I'll get a measuring cup and just kind of put it in there. Because obviously you don't want to touch everything, right? We have a mixture of Whoppers, some little bells, and like peppermint patties. We're just going to put that in our little bag in the side corner like that. You want your nose to be down, facing downward. Then you're going to take your bag and scrunch it. That's technical crafting terms. Then you need to get your antlers, aka pipe cleaners, which are so hard to find. Let me tell you, I had these in a craft box. I went everywhere looking for these and nobody has, just plain old brown. They're all sparkly. Okay, so you have to do a tight wrap, like tighter than that. Now, if you're in Florida, it's 80 degrees today. Don't touch the chocolate because you'll make it melt. Okay, and then you just fumble around with it until you get it the way you want it. And if you have a husband that's super crafty, who was built with that gene, you have him come in and help you, okay? Then we're going to take this, we're going to make it a curly Q. Our reindeer is going to have curly Q antlers. See that? Okay. Do you see it coming along? It's going to be Rudolph, y'all. Okay. Then you get your googly eyes and a glue gun. A glue gun is not my friend. I've burnt myself like 5 times already, and I've only used it 3. Oh, it stresses me out. This is a terrible idea, actually. Okay. And then the placement is super important, I guess. I don't know. That's what my crafty husband said. I had him up too high. It's okay. Everybody looks different. Okay? Oh my gosh. So, I was not asked to bring this. I was not even asked to bring this. An email was sent and it said if you wanted to bring in a treat for the class, you can. And this is what happens when you get on Pinterest at 2 a.m. Don't do it to yourselves. Just go buy the cookies. The pre-made cookies. There's my reindeer. Look at him. Isn't that so cute? It is kind of cute. So I was going to leave the bags tall, but Asa kept cutting them, so I'll cut it, whatever. Luckily, Abby doesn't have a lot of kids in her class, so we're just going to make a few of these and send them in, and we're going to look like a great mom. Are you excited? I'm so excited. So yeah, I don't know. I'm sure it's super easy to some of y'all. For me, it was not. It took a lot of tries to get it down. So his eyes are really close together. Aren't they cute? I think they're pretty cute. Don't you think they're cute? And it's super inexpensive, guys. Isn't that like the theme of this year, is trying to be inexpensive? And you can put whatever candies in there you like. I don't know. This may be a Pinterest win. Comment down below. Let me know. Have you ever done anything like this? What are you doing for your kids' classes this year? If they're having little parties, just let me know. I'm nosy. I want to know what y'all have going on. And I am here for those non-crafting moms. We can band together. Ready? You need to see another little... You want to watch it again? Okay. So we have our candies. We've got our red nose for the Rudolph. Antlers. This is the tricky part. It's like, okay, maybe I need to spin it. And then you got to get it really tight. Right? And then you do a little curlicue. I'm sure all the crafters are cringing right now, probably. But then my problem is, where's the head? Where's the actual face? There, we'll make that the face. Then we have to get our googly eyes. See how fast this is going? I feel for you that have like 30 kids in a class, that we only have like 5. I'm getting so good though, I may make extra for the teachers. Isn't that cute? You could also use Skittles for the... I'm telling you, these hot glue guns are the worst invention ever. Oh. Oh my gosh. It's everywhere. Everywhere except where it needs to be. Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, I think it's gonna work. And we're gonna cut it. Okay. So cute. I think his antler needs to be a little toned down. It needs to have more curl to the cue. There we go. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Cute little thing for the classrooms. Maybe you have neighborhood kids that you want to give little treats to. So, comment down below and let me know. We will see you next time. Bye, guys. They come in all shapes and sizes, Asa. They're like people.